expand your business on an international level and in need of the perfect ERP solution, look no further than Oracle NetSuite ERP. This integrated application offers a cloud-based database accessible anytime and anywhere, designed to streamline various business processes and provide real-time insights into your company's financial and operational growth. Oracle NetSuite ERP is the ideal solution for your business. Want to learn more? Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Sharma from Webtel. In this video, I will explore all the dimensions and features of Oracle NetSuite ERP, including its model and key functions. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Webtel Electrosoft, to get regular enterprise updates. First, let's understand what is Oracle NetSuite ERP is all about. Oracle NetSuite ERP is a comprehensive cloud-based system designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their operations seamlessly. The cloud-based ERP offers a wide range of integrated business applications, including financial management, customer relationship management, e-commerce, and more. It is designed to streamline various business processes and provide real-time insights into the company's financial and operational data. In this blog, we will take a deep dive into Oracle NetSuite ERP, exploring its features, benefits, and modules. What is Oracle NetSuite ERP? NetSuite ERP Cloud, also known as Oracle NetSuite ERP Cloud, is a comprehensive cloud-based enterprise resource planning software solution. It is designed to help businesses streamline and manage various aspects of their operations, including financial management, customer relationship management, e-commerce, human resources, inventory management, and more. Oracle NetSuite ERP Cloud is recognized for its flexibility, ease of use, and ability to adapt to various industries. It is a popular choice for organizations seeking a unified cloud-based solution to manage and optimize their business operations, improve productivity, and drive growth. Key features of Oracle NetSuite ERP. Oracle NetSuite ERP offers several key benefits that make it a popular choice for businesses of various sizes and industries. Here are the key features of NetSuite ERP. Integration. NetSuite ERP offers seamless integration capabilities that allow businesses to connect and synchronize various functions and data sources within a single unified platform. The integration reduces data silos and enhances the flow of information across departments, leading to better decision making. Cloud-based. Being a cloud-based ERP solution, NetSuite offers numerous advantages, including easy accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for on-premises infrastructure, reduces IT maintenance cost, and ensures that your system is always up to date with the latest features and security updates. Reporting. NetSuite ERP provides powerful reporting and analytics tools. User can create custom reports and dashboards to gain real-time insights into their business data. This feature is invaluable for monitoring performance, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Flexibility. NetSuite is highly flexible and can be tailored to meet the specific needs for your business. Whether you need to adapt to changing market conditions, expand into new markets, or modify business processes, NetSuite's flexibility allows you to do so without significant disruption. Customization. Businesses can customize NetSuite ERP to align with their unique requirements. This includes creating custom fields, forms, and workflows, as well as modifying the user interface. The ability to adapt the system to your business processes is a significant advantage. Internationalization. NetSuite supports international business operations with multi-language and multi-currency capabilities. This is especially important for companies with a global presence or those looking to expand into international markets. It helps ensure smooth operations and compliance with local regulations. Oracle NetSuite ERP modules. Oracle NetSuite ERP offers a wide array of modules dedicated to critical business functions and processes, making it a versatile and comprehensive solution. These modules collectively offer a comprehensive solution to manage and optimize various aspects of a business operations, enhancing efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. Here is an overview of these modules and their unique key features. Financial management automates task management, updates the general ledger, tracks accounts receivable and payable, and simplifies financial reporting. It supports complex revenue recognition standards and real time currency conversion. Global business management NetSuite One World allows multinational companies to manage their entire enterprises in one system, handling diverse currencies, languages, tax laws, and reporting requirements. Planning and budgeting provides tools to create departmental and company wide budgets for forecasts with the ability to run what if scenarios. Billing manages various billing models, including transactions, subscription, and usage based billing, while ensuring compliance with revenue recognition standards. Inventory management offers real time visibility of inventory across channel and locations with automated reorder points and cycle count management. Order management manages the entire life cycle, automating order processing and improving fulfillment accuracy. Procurement streamline the procure to pay process with features like approved vendor list, quotes, automated purchase orders, and spend monitoring. Warehouse management system enhances warehouse efficiency with put away, order picking, barcode scanning, and reporting capabilities. Manufacturing supports production planning, shop floor management, work order tracking, and production monitoring for manufacturing companies. Demand planning helps plan future demand based on historical data and sales forecasts, improving supply planning. Customer relationship management provides a 360-degree view of customers, manage leads, quotes, and sales, and improve customer service and marketing automation. Commerce allows businesses to create omni-channel shopping experiences, manage mobile-friendly e-commerce sites, and unify transactions with the point of sale application. Suite Apps offers a wide catalog of applications that extend NetSuite's capabilities, including additional functionalities and integrations with other SaaS solutions. Payroll automate payroll calculations, tax processing, and employee payments while ensuring compliance with employment laws and regulations. Human resources integrates HR data into the suite, handling personal information, onboarding, and performance management. Professional service automation designed for service companies, it provides project and resource management, billing, time and expense management, and project accounting capabilities. Analytics Suite Analytics leverages data within NetSuite to provide insights through custom filters and visualizations, enabling users to answer critical questions without the need of complex queries. In conclusion, Oracle NetSuite ERP stands out a powerful and versatile cloud-based solution that caters to the diverse needs of businesses across different industries and sizes. Its extensive range of modules dedicated to essential business functions and processes empowers organizations to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and make informed, data driven decisions. In summary, Oracle NetSuite ERP is a comprehensive cloud based solution that offers an array of benefits, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to optimize their operations, increase productivity, and remain competitive in an ever evolving business landscape. Its extensive feature set and adaptability make it a compelling choice for organizations seeking to streamline their processes and achieve sustainable success. I hope you have understood that organizations can improve their efficiency, streamline operations, and make informed decisions by utilizing a wide range of modules dedicated to essential business functions and processes. This software is invaluable for businesses that are striving to optimize their operations, increase productivity, and remain competitive in a constantly evolving business environment. Its extensive feature set and adaptability make it an attractive option for organizations looking to simplify their processes and achieve long-term success. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, then visit the mentioned link in the description below and let us know in the comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Tuesday, we will come up with another interesting video to improve enterprise solutions for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for better compliance and enterprise journey.